Hi audience, I would like to introduce myself. I am Syed Abbas, an Executive Secretary in a private concern in job for last 20 years. I have decided to transfer my knowledge and experience to my audience by launching a special course, Executive Secretary course. This will be very valuable for those who wish to go for this extremely challenging job. Watch and become Executive Secretary at home. Before I describe course outline, let us see what is definition of Executive Secretary or Assistant. Executive Secretaries or assistants are considered to be the right hand of senior level management. Executive assistants are responsible to provide quick and efficient administrative support to senior management. They execute a variety of administrative tasks which include travel arrangement, events management, calendar management, scheduling appointments, follow-ups of important matters, exchanging business communication, etc. Let us see minimum eligibility criteria. Possess good interpersonal skills. Good typing skill, at least 50 words per minute. Should be proficient in Microsoft Office. Be able to absorb pressure in stress situations and deliver good. Execute assigned tasks within allocated time. Should be flexible to work out of office hours time as and when required. Hi audience, अब हम देखते हैं कोर्स आउटलाइन को. Let us see the course outline. Learn professional typing. This is one of the basic requirements for this position. Number 2, calendar management. Scheduling appointments and meetings in MS Outlook. Scheduling online meetings in MS Teams and Zoom. Number 3, travel arrangements. How to present one-pager of flight schedule of different airlines for approval of particular flight as per his choice. Number 4, business communication. Practical use of MS Word, standard letter format with margin setting, note for approval for purchase of any particular equipment for C-suite executive. Setting up margin for printing of legal documents, how to use track change command in legal docs, create folders for specific project and save relevant files in it, practical use of Excel. In my video number 2, I'll teach complete typing course as part 1 of this course. I would appreciate if you could give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. See you soon in video number 2. Bye. Have a good day.